Maybe.
Is that you? Say me.
Wait.
Wait, it's you, isn't it?
Yeah.
In your Blackburn Rovers kit. Because you support Blackburn Rovers. Like your daddy does. That was when you were a little baby. Is that cheeky boy? Charlie. Charlie. Is that?
Yeah.
It's baby. Dribbling for the Rovers. Who's that?
Mommy.
Now, who is it?
Mommy.
It's not. Who is it?
I'm Daddy.
Yes, Daddy. Who's that though? Is that Mummy and Daddy?
Mommy.
And who?
Daddy.
Yeah. Who's that? Is that Grandma? And Daddy? And Mummy?
Look. Daddy's.
Daddy! Should we see if there's any other photos of you? Right, who should we go on? Should we go on mine? Should we go on Auntie Beth's? Look at photos of you. Right, where are you? Where are you?
What?
Who's that?
What?
Who is it? Auntie Beth. Yeah. Say Auntie Beth.
What?
Well done.
What?
Who's that?
What?
Yeah. Should we look at pictures of you? Who's that?
Baby.
It's you, isn't it? Well done. Clap your hands. Way. Who's that?
Baby.
Scary, isn't it? Go, ah! Who's that? You. So we say bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Charlie, say bye bye. Say bye bye. Look up there and say bye bye. Good boy. Kiss them. Mwah. Good boy.